which is default config in the CommServer directory. Now we can start the CommServer using any client. In this example, I'm going to use OPC Viewer. To connect to CommServer, we have to browse the network to find the CommServer, or write down its address on the Address tab. Now we have to connect to the server, and we have to create a subscription or group. We have to add all tags that we have previously configured. Now we can see some tags and their values in the OPC Viewer view panel. Let's open the CommServer monitor to see if the communication works properly. As we see, on the last tab we can find that there are many incompleted frames. So what can we do to resolve this issue? I can tune the settings of the data provider. To do it, I have to find the data provider settings, in the network configuration tool, and change the value of time after frame parameter. Let's change it to 20. The explanation of this parameter is in the bottom of the property grid, so my short explanation is only this time is the time indicating how long CommServer waits for the next byte during receiving the SBUS response. Let's save the configuration now. And now we have to restart the CommServer. To do it, we have to disconnect from the server and reconnect. Let's check the monitor again. On the last tab, now we have no incomplete frames. Now let's change the values from the front panel of the PLC. Let's take a look on the SAIA F1 SW1. Here we have false value, which means that the switch is in off state. Let's change it. I have changed the switch to on, and of course the value is true. The same thing is with the second switch. Of course, we can change the value of register 10 and 11. For instance, now we have about 1000, the value of the register 10. We can change it to 0. The same we can change with the register 11. Let's change it to, for example, 600. Okay, more or less it is 600. The last thing that I want to show you is what is happening when I disconnect the communication plug. Of course, after the timeout, all tags in OPC Viewer have bad quality. Let's try to reconnect. After a short time, all values are read again. Thank you for watching this movie. I hope it will help you to understand and learn the CommServer configuration.